Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reviewed. My name is Deb and today we are here with an unboxing video of the Blaupunkt SBA20 soundbar. So I got this in the Great India Amazon Festival. Let me tell you a bit about what I was looking for and why I decided to buy this. I wanted a small soundbar, not a big one, for my PC. So I wanted something small which is portable and which can be carried over, so that means it has to be rechargeable. Now I wanted something which was in a very reasonable price, and when I went online on Amazon, what I saw was mostly it was below 1500. Mostly all of them were Chinese. There was one by Portronic Soundpot 3, I guess, and the rest were all more than 3000, at least more than 2500. The good companies, the Creative and all those things. And there were a few which are really generic Chinese, cheap Chinese products. I really did not want to buy those. So, and then I saw this is actually a new release by the company Blaupunkt, and Blaupunkt is a German company. In the advertisement and all, they are saying that this has German DNA, this is designed in Germany, blah blah, and all those things. But actually, I'm not sure what the status of this is right now, but I remember a long time back we used to have Blaupunkt stereos in our car, and those were really good, and that's the reason I went for this. And the primary reason is this is very cheap right now. You can get it for around 1200 rupees in the sale, and that is actually one of the lowest soundbars out there in the market right now. And I checked all the specifications. This seems fairly good. So let me show you around the box, then we'll do the unboxing. So this is the branding on the top. This is how it looks, and this has a 2000 mAh battery. They say this one battery gives you 7 hours of continuous playback. Bluetooth version 5.0, that's good. TWS function, I'm not sure what that means. USB input, AUX in and TF. So this is you can use a memory card, and you can use that. AUX in will be 3.5mm jack. USB input, that's good thing to have. And we'll see what this means. So on the top, yeah, Blaupunkt, established 1924 Germany. Powerful sound, long playback, multiple input options, and TWS function. I am actually very curious about this TWS. What might be something which you already knew, but they are marketed in something new words. So again, same thing. This side is blank. Yeah. So let me show you this. Imported and marketed. Okay. Blah blah blah. Model name is this. The MRP of this is listed as 3500. Month and import, blah blah blah. Made in China, of course. You cannot escape China. They also have a Swachh Bharat logo here, so that's nice. That's actually a sticker on top of the original one, so let it be. If I find something interesting here, I'll let you know in the review that I will do very soon. Stay tuned for that. The package content is speaker, micro USB charging cable, AUX cable, user manual, and warranty card. So let us not waste any more time and see what is inside the box. Fairly standard packaging, cardboard box. Nicely packed. Okay, we have the micro USB cable here. The cable quality is not that good, generic Chinese type. Okay, let's put this aside. This is the 3.5mm audio jack. We have some documentation. Okay, Blaupunkt, enjoy it. Blaupunkt, yeah, you have to know how to pronounce it. It's Blaupunkt. Buttons and all those things. Bluetooth connection, music play, radio mode. Okay, radio mode. This is one important thing. This has radio in that, but to access the radio, you have to plug in the AUX cable. TWS function. Okay, turn on two speakers at the same time. So that means you can connect more than one unit here, and you can have a surround sound experience with this. I was wondering, the JBL and all those things have this TWS function. That is another good thing to have. You can buy 2 or 3 units of this or any other Blaupunkt other units, and you can connect. Of course, that has to be compatible, and you can connect them to create a whole system. So let us take this out. Nicely packed. We have something down here. What is this? Warranty registration, blue dot of perfection. Nice, that's nice. Some marketing stuff. Okay, let me put these things aside now, and let us bring this. Nice. This has a good heft to it. This is made of plastic. Brushed metal type of finishing is there. I don't know if it's visible or not. And we have the ports in the back. This is the micro USB cable. We have the AUX port. This is the card. You can put that here. The USB input and the on-off button that is here. It's the model number. This has a hexagonal type of thing. So I like this one very good. So okay, these are the bottom rubber pads, which this is the bottom part, the anti-skid pads, if you will. We have a screen, and we have, let me turn this around, we have the bottom buttons at the top. It's M, plus, minus, and play, pause. I think this is the mode button. Okay, about the quality, this is made of plastic. It is a bit, moves around a bit, but I guess that's all right. Let me show you at the side. So it actually looks like a woofer or something from which sound comes out. I actually thought, seeing the pictures at Amazon, that this might be it, but this is just a design element. As you can see, it does not move. So yeah, it's actually a bit disappointing, but yeah, at this price point, it's quite okay. Let me peel this off. This is the screen here, and let me see if it has any charge in that. Let me turn this on. Yeah, it has high LOD and blue. So this means Bluetooth. Let me see if I can change the modes. LOD. This is the Bluetooth and the FM. And if you the other modes, if you plug in the card and all those things can also be configured. So okay, another thing which I want to clarify, by seeing this, I am not sure if it is visible. Yeah, by seeing this, we can see that there are two speakers, but there are actually two more circles here. So in the picture, it looked like it had 4 speakers, but again, I think this is not a speaker. This is just 2 cutouts made to look like it had 4 speakers, but it's not. It actually has just 2 speakers. Another disappointing thing, first this one, then this. I hope the sound of this is loud enough, but I won't be doing it here. If you want to see the sound test of this, subscribe to this channel, and I'll be doing that very, very soon. Stay tuned for that. And yeah, I will do all the testing. I will set this up, and I will use it for a few days, and then I'll post the proper review of this. Stay tuned for that. And that's all for today. If you like this video, subscribe, like this video, share it, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and goodbye.